Hey, and welcome back. Today in this video, I'll go over a few tips to improve your juggling as well as a few common mistakes to avoid so you can take your juggling and ball control to the next level. So stick around till the end, sit back, relax and enjoy. So the first tip I would like to give is to get a good touch and focus on your point of contact. First over, you're looking to juggle the ball off the laces, giving it a good backspin. You also have to perfect the timing and also make sure that you give the right amount of force to the ball. Also at the same time, you don't want to kick the ball too high when juggling with only your feet. You should aim to keep the ball fairly close to your body and also below your knees if possible. A common mistake, and I say common because a lot of people do this mistake, it is that they hit the ball with their toes. It is not right actually. Your juggling becomes unpredictable, the ball will just bounce off your toes and it will be off control. Instead of hitting it with your toes, use your laces as I am showing here. If you have been making the mistake, you don't have to worry. You can again practice by holding the ball in your hand and dropping it to your feet. Aim to make contact with the laces while also giving a slight backspin to the ball. You can try to get a few good reps while dropping the ball, and when you're comfortable, you can practice normally. The next tip I would suggest is to use both feet and also your whole body. I'm sure you would have seen some of those guys who can rep out some juggles on only one leg. Yeah, it may look decent at max, but it really isn't efficient. God gave you two legs and you might as well use them both. It's always better to use both legs so you are familiar and confident with your weak foot too. I would also suggest incorporating your other body parts like your thighs, your chest, and even your head while juggling. And what this basically does is you get more comfortable using different areas of the body to control the ball with. So you can also bring the ball under control when it's at different heights while playing. So yeah, we have covered two basic tips, and if you are enjoying the video, make sure to hit the like button, and it would be great if you can subscribe to the channel and also share it among your friends. The last tip I would like to give is to really challenge yourself, but at the same time having fun as well. It's always possible to keep the ball below your knees and get a lot of juggles, crank a few hundred reps, but there is little point to it. You would want to make things actively harder, and by this I mean that you can always kick the ball higher, so you are forced to control with either your thighs or your chest or maybe your head. Because let's face it, there's not many options to train these areas while practicing on your own. As you can see here, I am purposely kicking the ball higher so I can receive it with my head, since that is one of my weaknesses. You can also switch it up accordingly to you based on your weakness. Another way to challenge yourself is to juggle with only one feet. I do it with my left since that's my weaker foot, and you can see I am struggling quite a bit. And what this basically does is you are forcing yourself to get some good quality reps and also improve on your weaknesses, which may be your thighs or your chest or your heading, which was my case. Now to sum it all up, we basically want to focus on our touch and improve our point of contact, also at the same time using both our feet and different body parts. Finally, we are aiming to challenge ourselves to get better. And last but not the least, if you did enjoy this video, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.